Hello students, welcome to the online lecture series on information and cyber security. Today we are going to discuss the point from the fourth unit, security requirement. So our today's topic of discussion is the SSL, that is secure socket layer. So what exactly means SSL or where it is used? Nowadays everyone is visiting number of website daily, but the question is that whether the websites are secure or not. So how to identify whether these websites are secure or not? For this purpose this SSL is used, and this is our today's point of discussion. So what exactly SSL means? It is a secure socket layer, and it maintains or it establishes a secure link in between your web browser and the web server. It is secure and also encrypted link is there. Also it ensures that your data pass in between web server and web browser must be private and integral. The next is, here is the scenario is shown. Here Alice is visiting the Bob's website, and she is in the get confusion whether the Bob's website is secure or not. So there is a one person is showing who is a hacker who is monitoring the request sent to the Bob's website. To overcome this problem, the SSL is used. Now here is the history of SSL. In that, if you see what is the history behind this SSL. SSL is firstly invented or developed in 1994 at Netscape, and its main purpose is for securing the web browser and server communications. Now next is the SSL versions. There are some SSL versions are there, like one SSL version 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Then after 3.0 it is said to be a TLS 1.0, that is TLS means transport layer security protocol, and the TLS 1.0 version is compatible with SSL's 3.0 version. Now here if you observe, here is the actual scenario is there. If you observe, I open one website, that is aiub.edu. In that, if you see the URL, it is showing HTTP and the name of the website. If you observe the next website or the next URL, it is for Gmail, that is HTTPS and the name of the website. So here if you see HTTP and HTTPS, here S stands for the secure, and it is used to maintain the secure connection, and it is a SSL. Now if you observe the next one, that is HTTP without certification, means here HTTP and the red cross line is there. What it indicate? So HTTPS certification means every owner of a website must have to take a certification, SSL certification from the authorized companies, or government has given or assigned some companies which are providing the SSL certificates. We'll see later on which are that authorities. Next is algorithms which are used, and next is the certification authorities. Here which algorithms are used in the SSL? In that all these algorithms we have discussed in the previous units, that is DES, DSA, KEA, MD5, RC2 and RC4, then RSA, RSA key exchange, SHA1, then triple DS. Like this number of algorithms are used in the SSL. Now next point is certification authorities. Which are the different certification authorities? All over the world there are number of certification authorities are there. Out of these, most popular are the GoDaddy, then VeriSign, that is GeoTrust, and Comodo. Okay, if you visit this website, you will get the procedure how to get the SSL certificate. Okay, now next is this picture shows how to check the here is the one certificate here for the google.com, and here it will show first the name of the website, then issued by, the name of the issuing authority or certifying authority, then expires, there is a expiry date for every certificate is there. Then next it shows the country name, then state, like this the number of details taken from the website owner. Okay, so this is all about the SSL. If you are having any query, please contact me. Thank you very much.